Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can add microphone to keyboard on Android. So if by adding microphone to a keyboard you mean accessing the text or speech-to-text feature or just voice input or voice typing option, you will first need to launch Settings app, then find and enter the system category. From here open the keyboard preferences or input and language on some devices. Anyway, once you've made it to the keyboard settings, open the on-screen keyboard selection and make sure to switch on the Google voice typing. Once this feature is enabled, you may now pull up your keyboard, and somewhere at this little top toolbar you should be able to find a microphone icon. If that won't be true in your case, you will need to get back to the keyboard management page and open the Gboard settings. Here open the voice typing page and make sure to switch on the use voice typing toggle. On top of that, you can also look for enabling the top toolbar, which I'm not sure actually is required for a Gboard. Yep, so this toolbar I think is enabled by default and there's no way you can, well, either switch it on or off. So yeah, that's how you generally approach this query. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.